To another series of Jamovi tutorial, and for this session we'll be looking at ANOVA. So to carry out an ANOVA analysis, you go to analysis and from there you click on ANOVA. From there you'll be able to check one-way ANOVA, ANOVA itself, repeated measure ANOVA, ANCOVA, MANCOVA, and then non-parametric ANOVA. So the full meaning of ANOVA is analysis of variance. So what exactly do we use ANOVA for? ANOVA is used to determine the difference between the means among two categorical data. In this case, we have sex as the categorical data, and under that we have female and male. And for the total count of COVID-19 death, we have it as a continuous variable. So ensure you set that before you start your analysis. That way, Jamovi would be able to understand the kind of data you are trying to solve. So now, let's proceed to the analysis. So this is what we have in the results interface. So this is the one-way ANOVA results, and this is for the group descriptives. So this is telling us that we have female count and male count for COVID-19 death, and this is the number of the sizes. Now, the F-statistics, it's relatively low, which is 0.248, it's low. The DF11, DF2166, and then p-value, which is 0.19. So that tells us that there is no significant difference between the means of COVID-19 death among female and male in the US. So that is the significance of the p-value. There is no significant difference between the two group means. And the F-statistics, which is 0.248, shows us that the variance between the two is small. It's not much. So that is how to carry out one-way ANOVA test. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so now. Like, comment. You have any question, ask in the comments, we'll respond to it, and ensure that you subscribe so that you can receive notification once we upload other videos. Thank you.